Oh my, you got a knife. Oh my gosh.
I want the gun. Get out.
Are you gonna upload it?
The gun is here. Hello, fake gun. Fake gun yung gamit niya. Hindi na ano yung gun doon. Like, hindi na kukuha.
Why can I not move? I'm gonna respawn.
Huh?
Respawn.
Okay. Sorry kung magsasabi ako, ah.
What?
Ano ba yan?
Yes.
Nakakainis. Lagi na lang to nananalo.
I am her.
Yeah. Alam mo dati, meron akong heartable sa isang account ko. Kasi I was a kid noon, kaya ayun, kung ano-ano pinaglalagay kong password. Kaya ayun, di ko na ma-remember. Kaya ayun, di ko na nabuksan. Kaya ayun,
We're gonna end the video and later on after this round.
why?
Because you're gonna go to my house, right?
Yeah?
I was gonna sleep early because you're gonna go to my house, you know.
Yo. Oh, okay.
But anyway, disclaimer guys, I'm not gonna like literally say my address. That's so annoying.
Yeah. I know you're the...
But you're not gonna say it, right? Yeah, we died. Yeah, we died.
Goodbye! And magbababay na nga po kami dahil she will
Oh
sleep
my
na daw and nag-i-intro nag-aano na kami dito nag-ending na no?
We are gonna like go she's gonna go to my house.
Yeah. Okay? At dito na nga po nagtatapos mga Hansels. And goodbye na po. Bye!